Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about studying and passing the Salesforce certification exams. Now I'm sure you've heard about the importance of certifications in the tech industry, and Salesforce certifications are by no means an exception. So if you want to stay competitive in the world of Salesforce, you need to get certified, right? And if you're like me and you have attention deficit disorder, ADHD, Dave, whatever you want to call it, studying can be tough. And this is why I want to share some advice on how to get the job done. Ready? Here's what I've learned through experience about studying for and passing Salesforce certification exams. First, you have to break the material down into smaller, manageable chunks. For example, instead of trying to tackle all the sections of the exam at once, focus on studying one section at a time until you understand it, at least, maybe not 100% completely, but understand it enough. This way you can focus on one area and find ways to strengthen it. Second, find resources that help you study, whether it be online courses, textbooks, practice tests, or something else. You find those study materials can help you increase your understanding of the topics covered on the certification test. And don't forget to use Trailhead. Along with that, I've got a study guide. I'll tell you about it later. Third, you need to practice within the system as much as you can. Take practice tests, ask friends and coworkers to help you study, and do as many self-study sessions as you need to feel comfortable with the topics being tested on. This way, when it comes time to take the real test, you'll feel more confident and prepared. Fourth, have a plan for taking the exam, whether it be scheduling the test dates or outlining how you plan to review the material before the day of the test. Having a plan will help you stay organized and on task. Finally, you've just got to believe in yourself. Taking tests with ADHD can be tough, but with a little hard work and determination, you can do anything. Believing in yourself and not losing sight of why you started this journey in the first place. So if you take the time to follow these steps and do your best to stay organized and motivated, I'm sure you'll be successful in your Salesforce certification journey. And I want to wish you luck, but I also want to tell you that if you need extra help, send me an email to info@salesandtechnology.com. I'll send you a study guide that'll break down I've got about 20 study guides. So tell me the certification you're working on. It'll break down the studying into each test section as well as each trailhead trail. So it provides you a great resource to, read everything, and you can read much quicker than you can click and refresh and click and refresh and click and refresh and go through trails and go through everything. It kind of summarizes the data you need to be aware of. Plus, I've got in there a special link to create your own cheat sheet. So if those things look good to you, then by all means, remember to send me an email or click a link if there is one. info@salesandtechnology.com will always get you to us. And, remember to like, comment, share this video. Other people may need it if you don't. Thanks, and make it a great day.